Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaBee, and today I wanted to do these breast cancer nails, but my footage got lost. So I did want to, do a little something for breast cancer. As we all know, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but it does not only affect women. So little known fact, my father actually had male breast cancer back in '09. He is a survivor. So I just wanted to share this little bit in piece because it's very important that we all check, because a lot of times with men it's misdiagnosed as stress or other things, and it is actually cancer. So he had to go through the whole radiation, everything. So all of my men and women, make sure that you're getting checked and staying on top of your health. And I hope that everyone is just safe. So I just wanted to share that little tidbit. Hopefully I can come back and do another video. It probably won't post though until November, but hey, as long as we all have bodies, it's always good to be aware and making sure that our health is good. So today I'm not going to talk you guys to death. This is more of a watch me work type video. I just ended up doing this because my other nails did not come out. Well, the footage did not come out right. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Me, LaBee, out.